Good morning, Hong Kong.
Did you sleep well last night, Nancy?
Yes, I did.
How about you, Chem?
I had a very nice rest, Mary. Oh, where's Mrs. Lee?
I'm here.
I couldn't sleep on the plane, you know, Mrs. Lee.
Well, it is a long way to fly from London to Hong Kong.
Yes, it is. And it's our first time to be here in Hong Kong. I believe we can see a different way of life in the East.
I know Hong Kong is famous for shopping. I want to buy something special for Mum.
Well, that should be easy. I will take you to some very interesting shops.
This is a beautiful park.
It is the Hong Kong Park. A lot of people come here for the morning walk.
They're moving very slowly. Are they dancing?
No, they're doing some kinds of exercise. It's called Tai Chi.
Tai Chi?
Yes, Tai Chi is a kind of Chinese martial art. Would you like to try it?
Why not?
Okay, Nancy. All right, stand firm. Stretch your arms.
That's easy, like this.
No. It's easy to do it fast. To see how you feel when you do it slowly.
Hey, careful, Jim.
So how do you find Tai Chi?
It's tricky but interesting. It's difficult to move slowly.
I hope you like it. Let's sit over there for a rest.
The birds are in the cages. Poor you. You should be in the sky. Why are they kept in the cages?
Some people here like to keep their birds as their pet.
They like listening to the birds singing.
It's very different from us. In our hometown, we enjoy watching birds in the trees or in the air. We like them to be free.
You're right. Birds ought to be free.
We do keep birds in a much larger cage in this park. You can see them flying freely in the air.
Come on, let's go to the aviary. How do you like the dim sum?
It's really nice, thank you.
I seldom eat that much for breakfast. I think it's a bit heavy.
Our breakfast is much lighter.
And we don't have that many choices. We usually have a slice of bread and a glass of milk.
That's what we usually have for breakfast too.
So Hong Kong is a city where East meets West.
Sure.
Hong Kong is really crowded with people.
Yes, this is Hong Kong.
Hey, look at this boat. It's made of real snakeskin.
And it's not expensive too.
I can buy one for Dad.
That's a good idea.
Wow, snakes, real snakes.
Snakes? Don't be afraid. They're all kept in the cages. See? Why do they keep these dangerous animals?
Dangerous? We people are more dangerous. Look, we use snake skins to make leather goods. We even eat snake soup.
Look at the bottles over there.
Some snakes are used for making snake wine.
What's he eating? Snake gallbladder. Yucky.
Chinese believe eating snake is good for our health.
Would you like to try one, Jim?
No way. I'd prefer to buy a snake bowl for Dad.
I think that's enough excitement. Would you like to go to a quiet and a peaceful place? Yes, please.
It's really nice and quiet here. In Hong Kong, we don't have lakes like those in your country. This pool is part of a reservoir.
You can feed the fish, but you can't catch them.
Why?
It's because it's part of the reservoir.
In England, we don't just feed the fish. We catch them for food and for fun.
I see. That's another difference.
Let's paddle to the ducks and turtles. We can get closer to them.
Let's use this escalator. There are lots of shops along the way.
I'd rather walk up myself. This escalator is moving too slowly. Come on, let's go.
I'm afraid you can't run up all the way.
Why not? I'm good at sport.
You see, it's the longest outdoor escalator in the world. It's more than 800 meters long. We still have a long way to go.
Really? I'd better join you then.
Okay. In this area, you can see another side of Hong Kong. Look at all those old buildings.
They're much older and shorter than the buildings down in Central.
Let's go this way. There are some shops selling lots of interesting things. Jim, you might get a special gift for your mom.
Jim, what kind of gift would you like to buy?
Something from the East. Something we can use every day.
And something for a lady's use. Then your mum will be happy with it.
That's a good idea.
This scarf is soft.
Oh, it's made of silk. Mum likes scarves. I'll get one for her.
I'd like to look for something more special for my mum.
Okay.
Oh, Chinese calligraphy. Look at that. It's really artistic.
The man is writing Chinese calligraphy with some English names.
Really? That's interesting. What's my name in Chinese?
Well, you can ask him to write one for you.
Jim, in Chinese.
Okay, I can make one for you.
I'd also like one for myself.
See? This is gym. It means gym.
Gym.
This one must be mine. How should I read it?
This is Nancy. It means Nancy.
Lansai. That's interesting.
I like calligraphy too. How do you like my handwriting?
It's really nice.
Okay. Tim, Nansai, let's start our shopping, shall we?
Okay.
You look pretty with those earrings.
Thank you. I'll have this pair. I'd also like to get a pair for my best friend. They're made of silver.
Yeah.
$40 is not expensive.
You brought a lot of presents.
Yes, for my friends and parents.
How about you, Jim?
I bought a t-shirt for my best friend. It's nice and not expensive.
Have you got your mom a special gift?
Yes.
What is it?
You want to make a guess?
Is it expensive?
Yes, it's around $400.
Can your mom use it every day?
I don't think so.
What is it made of?
It's made of cloth.
I know what it is, but I don't know what it's called. Something like Sam.
Is it cheongsam?
Yes, it is a cheongsam. Do you like it? You see, my mum will look beautiful in this cheongsam.
It's really nice.
You are really a thoughtful son. Okay, let's go.
How'd you find Hong Kong?
Busy.
Yes, full of action and full of interesting things.
Do you enjoy your stay here?
Very much, especially shopping.
I enjoy Hong Kong's fantastic night view.
Look at that building over there.
You mean that tall one? It's the center.
It's beautiful. It's changing color all the time.
Now it's purple.
It's blue now.
That's marvelous.
Mrs. Lee, thank you for taking us around this week.
You're welcome. Here's a gift for you, Mrs. Lee. Oh, thank you. Do come back and visit us soon.
We'd be very happy to be your tour guides again.
Thanks.